Hey everybody, so this is my Beauty and the Beast pocket letter I made for my Facebook event. So that's my note card. So I got my letter attached to the back. And then I made a bookmark. I found this picture on Pinterest. So I made a bookmark. And then I got these princess stickers. Found them at Walmart. There's like a sheet of 8. And then I did the musical Beauty and the Beast in the front, which was an awesome movie. I found that picture online. So I used this bad tape I got at the dollar store, and I made these flowers. And I put them on the front, and then I got this purple ribbon, and I got these split pins, which I got at AliExpress. And then on the back here, I got these gemstones I got at Walmart, and these flower die cuts. Then I added some more flowers that I made, and then these are stickers. And then I made butterfly die cuts, and I got like the cartoon images on the back. And then, so like when they take the items out, they're double-sided cards. So then I got these flowers from the dollar store. These are from Walmart. And then stickers, and I included a tea. I made like more flowers and more stickers, and even more stickers. And then I got these cool die cuts from Amazon. So I put all those in there. So that is the back. And then I included a few coloring pages. So I got the classic rose and the bell jar, Cogsworth, from the live version of the movie. I got Belle and the Beast, and then I got the window from the cartoon. So yeah, so that is my Beauty and the Beast pocket letter for my Facebook group, and yeah, that turned out pretty good. It's one of my favorite movies, that's why I made it. So yeah, it's a good movie, and yeah, so that is my Beauty and the Beast pocket letter. Later.